Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday. I just woke up, just got through brushing my teeth and cleansing my face and moisturizing my face, my little daily routine. But I wanted to show you guys where we're at because it's so beautiful. Like, there's like mountains just literally right outside here. And it's gorgeous. The birds sound like little kids playing outside, and kind of sounds scary. But yeah, let me show you guys. So gorgeous that is. This is like one of the best things about being a truck driver is that you get to wake up in different places. And half of the time, there's pretty views. And half of the time it isn't, but when there is a pretty view, you know, you take advantage and you enjoy those moments. Because it's the best feeling, best moment that you could possibly wake up to. This is gorgeous. But if you pan over here, that's what the other side looks like. There's mountains over there too. But yeah, we are here at the truck stop. As you can see, it's a pretty nice truck stop. But that is gorgeous right there. Anyways, Ryan is still asleep. I'm probably gonna look for something to eat real quick before we head out. And then before we head out, I'm gonna go around the truck and the trailer, make sure everything is okay and secured and there isn't any issues. My hair is being weird. But yeah, so that is such a gorgeous view. I cannot complain to wake up to anything better than this. So beautiful. Well, there's other places that are way better than this, but this is a gorgeous place to wake up to. It's so wonderful. But yeah, I'm just gonna find something to eat real quick and then get out and go look around the truck and the trailer and see that if everything is okay and secured, and then we will be on our way, I guess. So yeah. Look at my pretty beautiful tulip flower that Ryan picked for me at one of the other truck stops. So pretty. No, I need to put it in sun actually. So my pretty flower is blooming. It's waking up, so I just put it in light so that hopefully it'll help it bloom more. It is so gorgeous. Pretty, pretty. The window is gross. So Ryan's awake and we're gonna feed the seagulls some bread. They sound like weird, like they sound like help, help. Dang, where did the other ones come from? Hey, don't talk to me. I don't have steel toes. So I just show the bottom where the tires and everything are because the top has the logo of where we work at. So I try not to show all of that in my videos because I don't need anybody to know where we work at. So that's like private information. See, I can show this part, but are they arguing at each other? He's mad at her. They're arguing. So we're here at a Pilot truck stop. I hopped to the back real quick because my legs are so cold. I don't have any sweatpants on. I have shorts. But the hubby went inside to get us something to eat and some coffee. I'm getting decaf. He's probably gonna get him like some caffeinated coffee, but yeah, I'm back here because I'm cold. I need to climb up to the top and get me some sweatpants, and I really don't feel like climbing, so yeah. It looks like it's gonna rain over here in this town, but we're in a nice town, a nice part of Northern California. It is so beautiful. It's very foresty. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed my little morning routine, all the things that I saw this morning, and that you enjoyed the little bird scenes because it was funny. We were feeding them bread.